Tony DeCresa here, founder and director of Freight Brokers Academy, and hard to believe we're going into our 10th year of providing training for freight agents and freight brokers nationwide, the #1 online training program in the freight brokerage industry. And in honor of our 10-year anniversary and the start of a long, hot summer, we've got a hot summer special for you. A program that we've normally been charging up to $500 for, we've got on special this summer. Right now, you can sign up for less than $200, $199, and you can get the program that people have been paying for $500 for years. Special for you because it's going to be a long, hot summer and great opportunity, great time to get into the freight brokerage business. In fact, I don't think there's ever been a better time to get into the freight brokerage industry than right now. So in honor of our 10-year anniversary of training the best freight agents and freight brokers in the business, you've got an opportunity to get a once-in-a-lifetime value with our hot summer special for Freight Brokers Academy. Sign up now, or if you got any questions, schedule a free consultation, check out our website, give us a call. We're here to help you make a better opportunity for yourself, be in business for yourself, but not by yourself, become a freight broker or freight agent, and learn how to do it the right way with the #1 freight brokerage training program in the industry, Freight Brokers Academy.